Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and today I wanted to highlight our best trade of this week, trading the E-mini S&P contract. I don't show too many of our day trades, but this was a really good one, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit. So let's pull out our screen draw tool. We got long right here at 2068. So actually right here we got long. You see our area of support that I was looking at, had it drawn on the chart. This is a 1 minute chart we're looking at. We use a 512 tick in the trading room, but 1 minute highlights what we need to see. Our first area that we took profit was 2072, because we teach a multiple contract system in the trading room. I've had people come in that only want to trade one contract because they're learning, and that's cool. Let me know. I can cater to that. But as far as our overall system, we teach a multiple contract system. And the reason I do that is because, in my view, from what I've seen, from my experience, trading multiple contracts gives you a better reward to risk ratio than just trading one. It's easier to make money. I think it's just easier overall. But when you're learning, risking the least amount is always the best. So anyway, this was our initial exit. I'll just make a dot here. And right here at 9.5 was our second exit. So we'll draw another dot here. So that actually gave us a 3.875 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Yeah, and I know this number is very technical, but it is important. Even let's round down and say 3.5 to 1. That's really good, because that means we're getting a 3.5 reward for every one risk that we make. So if we make every trade like this, which pretty much is impossible, but if that actually occurred, we would make 3.8 reward for every one risk. Now, it doesn't always happen like that. Every now and then we get stopped out. A lot of the time we're working around 1.5 to 2.5, something like that, just because in day trading you're usually not getting that 4 to 1, 6 to 1, 10 to 1. Usually that's not occurring because you are day trading. Day trading is very lucrative. I've made a lot of money at it, and I really like it. It's one of my favorite forms of trading. But you're not going to get the huge reward to risk that you can get with swing trading, for example. And that's why I differentiate the two. I have swing trading, I do that. I have day trading, I do that. Because the two should be separated. So I just wanted to highlight this a little bit. Reward to risk is always the most important. If you want to add up what was actually made here, you can definitely do that. But for simplicity's sake, it was around $750 is what was made on this trade. And it lasted approximately an hour. So $750 in 1 hour, that's not too shabby. And let's say you're trading 10 contracts, 20 contracts, it would be a lot more than that. This is assuming 2 contracts. Take one off here and take one off here. So that's what I was looking at. Wanted to highlight that a little bit. 3.8 to 1 reward to risk. That's my style. That's what I like to do. Look for support, look for resistance. We add a lot more things in the trading room just to give us a little bit more of an edge. Looking at internals and different things like that. But I'm not a heavy indicator relier. I don't rely a lot on indicators, I guess how I should have worded that. Just because they are lagging and they're going to get you hurt. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See you back here on the markets. Thank you.